Hey guys, when I was a student, I was constantly scrounging for spare change. Ramen noodles, discount movie night. You know the drill. But you know what changed that? A simple strategy most people overlook. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your first $10,000 as a student without begging your parents or getting buried in debt. We're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme, all right? This is about using your skills, a little bit of hustle, and the power of the internet to build something awesome. So, grab your notebooks, ditch those ramen noodle packets for something a little tastier. You'll be able to afford it soon. And let's get into it. All right, step one to escaping student debt purgatory is identifying your money skill. Now, before you freak out and say, Mark, I can barely make instant ramen, let alone money, hear me out. Everyone's got a skill. Think about it. What are you naturally good at? What do your friends always ask you for help with? Maybe you're a Photoshop whiz, a coding ninja, a TikTok editing guru, or maybe you've got a knack for turning trash into treasure on eBay. Seriously, I knew a guy in college who made a killing reselling vintage sneakers. The point is, your money skill is something you're already good at, something you enjoy, and something other people would actually pay for. Don't overthink it. If you're drawing a blank, ask yourself this. What do you already do for free that others would pay for? Are you the go-to tech support for your family? Do you whip up killer graphics for your club's events? Boom! You've got a money skill just waiting to be unleashed. And hey, if you're still unsure, ask around. Your friends, family, and classmates can offer valuable insights. They might point out talents you didn't even realize you had. Remember, this isn't about being the absolute best in the world at something. It's about finding that sweet spot where your skills meet a need in the market. Once you've identified your money skill, write it down, circle it, put it on a sticky note on your forehead, whatever it takes to cement it in your mind. Okay, so you've got your money skill locked and loaded. Now it's time to introduce it to the world. But hold on, before you start plastering flyers on every lamppost on campus, let me tell you about the magic of leverage platforms. No, I'm not talking about shady pyramid schemes or taking out a second mortgage. I'm talking about the internet, people. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, Depop, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. These are your new best friends. These platforms are like giant digital marketplaces, teeming with potential customers actively searching for the exact services you offer. It's like having a 24/7 shopfront without the overhead costs and the awkward small talk with customers. Think of it this way. You wouldn't hike through the Amazon rainforest to sell a handmade hammock when you could just list it on Amazon.com, right? The same principle applies here. These platforms have already done the heavy lifting of building an audience and establishing trust. Your job is simply to create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and watch the offers roll in. No need to reinvent the wheel, just hop on board and start peddling. And the best part? Most of these platforms are free to join. You can start small, test the waters, and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. So ditch the old school hustle and embrace the power of leverage platform. Now I know what you're thinking. Mark, I'm a student, not a machine. I can't be churning out products and services 24/7. And you're right. You've got classes, exams, maybe a questionable sleep schedule fueled by energy drinks and procrastination. That's where the magic of productizing your time comes in. This is about working smarter, not harder, and squeezing the most value out of every precious hour. Instead of trading your time for money on a one-to-one basis, think about creating something you can sell over and over again. This could be a digital download, a pre-recorded course, templates, presets. The possibilities are endless. Let's say you're a math whiz. Instead of just tutoring one student at a time, create a comprehensive study guide covering key concepts, formulas, and practice problems. You can sell this guide as a digital download on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, reaching countless students with a single product. Or, if you're feeling ambitious, take it a step further and record a video course. Package it up nicely, upload it to a platform like Udemy or Skillshare, and boom, you've got a passive income stream generating money while you sleep, study, or engage in epic ramen noodle battles with your roommates. Remember, the key here is to create something valuable once and then sell it multiple times. This way, you're not constantly trading hours for dollars, but instead you're building a sustainable income stream that works for you, even when you're busy acing those exams. Okay, now here comes the part where I burst your bubble a little. Forget about going viral, becoming an overnight sensation, or getting rich quick. The real secret to making consistent income is, well, consistency. Think of it like building a rocket. You don't just slap it together overnight and launch it into space, right? It takes time, precision, and a whole lot of testing to get it right. Building a successful side hustle is no different. Instead of chasing fleeting trends or trying to game the algorithm, focus on showing up consistently day after day, post your services regularly, engage with potential customers, and keep refining your pitch. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Think of it this way. Landing 10 sales of $100 each might not seem as glamorous as going viral, but guess what? It adds up to $1,000. Do that 10 times and boom, you've hit your $10,000 goal. And the best part, you did it by building a sustainable business, not by chasing fleeting fame. So how do you stay consistent? Set realistic goals, create a schedule, and track your progress. Maybe it's dedicating 30 minutes each day to promoting your services or reaching out to 5 potential clients every week. Whatever it is, make it a habit and stick to it like glue. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful side hustle. Embrace the grind, stay consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time. All right, so you've hit your first $1,000. Congratulations, it's time to celebrate, right? Well, hold your horses before you splurge on that new gaming console or designer handbag. Remember, we're playing the long game here. The smartest thing you can do with your early earnings is to reinvest them back into your business. Think of it like planting seeds. The more you plant, the more you'll eventually harvest. So instead of blowing your hard-earned cash, consider upgrading your equipment. Maybe it's a faster laptop, better lighting for your videos, or software to streamline your workflow. These investments might seem like expenses now, but they'll pay off big time in the long run by helping you work more efficiently and deliver even better results. Another smart move is to invest in your education. Take online courses, attend workshops, read books, anything that can help you level up your skills and knowledge. Remember, the more valuable you become, the more you can charge for your services. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment with paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google offer targeted advertising options that can help you reach a wider audience. Start small, test different strategies, and see what works best for your business. Remember, the goal here isn't just to make $10,000 once, it's to build a sustainable income stream that can continue to generate wealth for years to come. So, reinvest those early earnings wisely and watch your business flourish. If you're a student, you have something powerful on your side: time. Use it now to build something awesome, and by the time you graduate, you could be miles ahead of everyone else financially. No more ramen noodle dinners, no more stressing about student loans, just pure financial freedom. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one skill, one platform, and one action to take today. Maybe it's creating a profile on Fiverr, recording a quick tutorial video, or researching potential advertising strategies. No matter how small, take that first step today. Oh, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps more students escape the broke mindset and achieve their financial goals. And subscribe for more tips on building wealth the smart way. I'll see you in the next one.